Hello and welcome to the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. The YVAs is back. Your View Awards last evening unveiled the evolution of the YVAs along with the announcements of the 2018 nominees. There are 27 categories with some of your favorite artists being nominated. Idonia has been nominated in 4 categories, with Ding Dong and Yannick Curvediva nominated in 3 individual categories.
For the favorite reggae artist category, the nominees are Chronix, Romain Virgo, Jacure, Jamil, Protege, and Damian Jr. Gong Marley rounds out favorite dancehall artists of the year, and this no doubt is gonna be a tight one. Yep. We have Alkaline, Popcorn, Spice. Who is that? Yeah. Idonia, of course, makes that category. And Shensia rounds out that category for favorite dancehall artist of the year.
You can visit the YVA website and Facebook page for the full list of the nominees. The event, formerly known as Youth View Awards, will be celebrating the 11th staging this year over 4 days, February 22 to 25. See you there. The Jamaica Cultural Development Commission (JCDC) will kick off the 55th anniversary celebrations with the first round of the annual National Festival of the Performing Arts competition. The audition round will be held across the island and will see persons participating in the areas of dance, music, speech, and traditional folk forms. The competition is open to individual performers, schools, community groups, youth clubs, churches, as well as private and public sector entities. Visit the JCDC website for details on the upcoming auditions. The National Festival of the Performing Arts competition has impacted tens of thousands of Jamaicans who have passed through the competition over the past 5 decades. Jovie Rockwell returns to the local scene. The artist is currently working on her new EP, which is laced with a variety of new tracks ranging from dancehall to dubstyle and reggae. The EP, titled Longest Shortcut, is produced by international producers Beats and Coolface. Jovie is also working on the remix for her single I Up Like 7, a collaborative effort with dancehall artist Ding Dong, to be released soon. Look out for it. Rubber Salute, the 2-day event, starts tonight at Grizzlies Plantation Cove in Priory St. Anne. More than 60 acts will grace the stage as the event, which is celebrating 25 years of preserving our cultural legacy, kicks off. And that's it for the weekend edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching. Have a nice weekend.